The KUKA brand is synonymous with state-of-the-art automation solutions. Though here at their Halesowen facility, they manufacture rotation friction welding machines. So we're here to find out their story.
So here in the heart of the Black Country, we manufacture the Thompson friction welding machine. Now Thompson is synonymous with manufacturing in the Black Country, and KUKA actually bought Thompson in 1993. So here we've got a systems build facility which is primarily robotics, but then we've also got the Thompson friction welding build capability where we build the iconic Thompson friction welding machines. Thompson are renowned for quality friction welding machine manufacture on a global basis.
What are the differences between the weld capabilities with the two brands?
Okay, so KUKA had an established friction welding portfolio before they purchased Thompson. The difference is the weld capabilities and the type of components they can weld. As an example, KUKA are synonymous with friction welding components for the automotive industry, whereas Thompson friction welding machines can actually friction weld components up to 7 meters in length, primarily for markets such as oil and gas, so drill rods and drill pipes, that kind of thing.
How do the brands work together?
So the brands complement one another because you have the global recognition of the Thompson friction welding product, which is manufactured here in the UK, but it's supported by the global footprint that KUKA can offer.
The Thompson name is rooted within the industrial heritage of the Black Country and dates back to the 1800s. So why did KUKA want to retain the product name?
Thompson is synonymous within the Black Country. It has such a legacy and heritage associated with not only its name but the products it manufactures. If you say to someone, what is a Thompson, they will immediately say it's a friction welding machine.
How do you support your customers then on a global scale?
Globally, we have a support mechanism that means we use the Internet of Things to remote access the software and the machines, so we can actually support our customers from a remote basis. The reason our customers come back to us again and again is the Thompson friction welding machines deliver a quality of product integrity that some of our competitors just can't.
And so then what's the life cycle of some of your machines?
Well, the life cycle, the robustness and the longevity of these machines is something else. So our customers return to Thompson time and time again because of the quality of the friction weld that our friction welding machines can deliver. Product integrity is so important to some of the markets into which we manufacture. If you consider the oil and gas industry, so we manufacture drill pipes and drill rods, and if you're drilling tens and tens of meters into the ground, a breakage can cost a manufacturer tens and tens of thousands to rectify. And the robustness and the longevity of the machines as well is a strong USP for us. And as an example, we have a machine that's 40 years old on site at the moment, being refurbished, so being retrofitted. And if you consider that a 150-ton machine is forging for 40 years, that is some manufacturing capability. And if we are talking about robustness, that refurbished machine we have on premise at the moment just underpins the manufacturing excellence that takes place here at Halesowen.
KUKA are renowned for their automation solutions. So how do they help to enhance the Thompson product?
Well, the Thompson friction welding machines can exist within an automated cell. If I give you an example, we've just exported a machine that was automated. So the robots are actually moving components into the welding machine. Once they've been welding, they're then removing them. So KUKA and Thompson work hand in hand in that respect.
Over and above the oil and gas industry, what other global industry sectors are you serving?
So we're also serving the likes of the yellow goods market, the green goods market, not only supplying machines to OEMs and manufacturers directly, but supplying machines that then go into the global supply chain.
Let's go back to your heritage now. We're here in the Black Country. Where does the journey begin when your customer approaches you?
Any customer will approach us because they need something welding, and traditional welding methods just don't give a quality of weld that rotary friction welding does. So here at KUKA, where we manufacture the Thompson friction welding machines, we have that experience, we have that heritage and legacy associated with the Thompson brand, and supported by our subcontract friction welding solutions and our metallurgical department that we have on site. We don't second guess, we prove.